Okay, now that I got the starter off, this is what I set up. You see it's got power going to. This is my power source. So what I set up now is like a little bench test. This is how I check and make sure that the equipment is not working. Touch it on there. It should have kicked out. But right now, it's sure touching. See a little spark. But it's not working. It's completely dead. So I could probably tap on it a little bit. It might start working. But we're not gonna worry about that right now because we already have a new starter. But just for G pieces, I got it. Tap all in this area like this. It may or may not kick out. Let's see. Make sure power supply on. All right. No dice. See a little spark. But that's about it. It's completely dead. So, goes back to what I say. Make sure you tend to your battery. Because if not, you got a dead start on your hand. What's up, YouTube? Just dropping a line real fast, let y'all know that I am an Amazon affiliate. So if there's anything as far as what I used to work on the cars or work gear or whatever that you might be interested in, and if I have it posted, it'll be in my Amazon store. Click the link below to check it out. All right, so this is the new starter. I'm gonna do my bench test on it before I even go through all the process of putting this thing back on there. And if it don't work, I know before I put it back onto the car. So, oh yeah, it works. So, I hope they taught you a little something today. Now let's get it installed.